Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a slow cooker. So all we're doing is rainbow trout and wine.
And
Wine sauce. So we got 2 fish. And then we got lemon. We got lemon. And we got the wine. So we got this, so that this is the last part.
Make the sauce creamy.
Yeah, and then we got spray oil and mushrooms. Oops. So we're gonna oil the bottom.
Yeah, the sides. Yeah. Shake it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so arrange the fish in the
Okay. So I got the other fish over there, and then I'll put in here. Oops. Yeah.
Okay, righty-o. Turn it off because you've got to make the sauce now.
2/3 of
Wine. Yep.
so.
Okay. So cut the mushrooms, and you need 1.5.
1.5 mushrooms.
She's put in there. Okay, so cut them. I've got the 1.5 cups there. I've got the cups there. Yes, 1.5 cups of mushrooms.
Okay. So I'll go with the small one first.
Yeah.
So how small you need to put?
Yeah, small, yeah.
About there?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
I'll start with the small.
Okay.
Needs a little bit more. Oof.
Right like that.
Huh?
Be alright, because I'll go small. Okay, will it be that 1/2 cup in the wine?
In the wine one?
Yeah. And then now do another
Do this.
cup.
I'm doing it backwards.
Yeah.
Oops. I just need a small one.
Yeah. You cut up there, yeah.
That one
That's
too.
where you set up, yeah. Now you've got to do the juice off the lemon in
Hold
lemon
up,
rind.
I'm just going to put this in.
Yep.
Put a lemon.
Yep.
Just
So
a
you've
minute.
got to cut it up and juice it and then do the rind.
So you're going to juice it.
And put the juice in there. Yep.
Oh, excuse me. It paid!
On you.
Oh, man. It took a big pee on me. Again.
All the juice out. Now you've got to grate the rind in there.
The rind.
Yeah.
This side. And I got pee. Yep.
Okay, we'll put it in the... And it just says add salt and pepper.
Old salt and pepper.
Did any pepper come out? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, just mix it up and then...
We'll just get a spoon.
Okay, then once it's all stirred in,
Mm-hmm.
put it over the fish and put it in the slow.
Oi. So we're going to put this all in here.
Okay, yep.
Yeah.
And you left the mushroom behind.
Yep.
Okay, then put it in the slow cooker.
So, I'm going to put it on. So on low.
On low. Yep.
So we got 1.5 cups of for the last bit. So we're going to put it in here. And then we're going to put this in the slow cooker. So we're going to put this in the slow cooker. So I'm going to mix it in with the sauce. Oops. Oh, there it is. Thank you for watching Rainbow Trout with wine sauce. I'll write the recipe down below. I just used, what did we use?
Base or just fish fillets.
Fish fillets. Let's go push notification about more videos down the line. Running is out. Bye.